Hi and welcome back. I'm going to be doing another recreating one of my worst makeup looks. So I have been looking for this picture for a while. It's of me and my brother. We were having a good time. Let me see if I can. So it's my oldest young brother. I'm the oldest of, my mom had 6 kids. Anyways, so let's zoom in. There we go. I don't know how I got that sharp of a line with pink eyeshadow. I'm like 99% sure that is a MAC pink. I don't know what exact color it was. And then it looks like I have like a white highlight on my face, on top of my brow bone. My lips look like I don't have anything on them, maybe a little bit of a gloss, and then just some pink blush. So, and I didn't have anything in my eyebrows. Look at that. See, they're pretty much still the same. I am going to recreate this, let's see, on my Instagram. It says notorious for clumpy lashes. Look, so I've had clumpy lashes for like my entire freaking life. Look at that. So don't be hating on my clumpy lashes. It happens. Yeah, I'm going to recreate that. I don't have this exact pink shadow anymore, but I have some other pinks, and I'm going to use some black eyeliner, and I'm going to update it just a little bit. If you want to check out my last one that I did, my first video that I did of this like kind of series thing, that is going to be linked down below. It was a pink and teal or aqua look. So because pink is and always has been my favorite eyeshadow. So I have a pink shadow. Let's see. I'm gonna stick with where I had pink like all over my lid, and I did like cut it out. I'm going to blow it out though. Cut it out, blow it out. I don't know. Same, maybe. Looking really pale, but that's okay. Just like I did in my palette bingo, I'm gonna take you guys into more natural light. If I could, I would film in my bathtub, but there's like, that would be kind of silly to film in my bathtub, but that's where the best lighting is in this house. So there's, I know. If you see any pictures on my Instagram, 99% of the time it's probably going to be taken in my bathtub. Let me see, I need like a flat, there it is. I love this brush. I picked one up before MAC changed to the synthetic bristles. This is the 239. This is my second one. I should have bought another one, oops, before. I should have bought another one before they changed the synthetic bristles, because this 239 has, I think it was my old one. It was like the first expensive eyeshadow brush I ever bought. And I wore that thing down. I used it so much, so then I bought another one. Long story short, I loved it so much I bought a second one because I used the other one. There you go. Okay, like the base part down, I feel like I need to deepen up. I need to give it a little bit of depth because right now that's looking still pretty funny in my mind. Let's see, I'm gonna go in, I think, with this one. Looks kind of pretty. I don't know which ColourPop palette I depotted that out of, but it's like a mauve shadow. I was wearing hoops in that picture, but I don't have any hoops. I know that I got rid of those exact ones that I was wearing. They were old. Old. I was super young in that photo. I'd say at least 13 years ago. Probably. Let's go like a couple of shades darker. So I was in this one and now I'm gonna go into this like cranberry or burgundy color. Same brush. Okay, do a little bit of a blending. I'm gonna bring that cranberry one a little bit further in. I probably didn't need to put that second shadow in, but I kind of like how it looks. I'm actually gonna go back into the mid-tone one. Yeah, that's like really bring that in. So I'm taking that this one right here. So I used the lighter pink just as a base and then building the colors up on themselves. I already have my foundation and concealer done, but there is no fallout with those ColourPop shadows. You see that? I'm impressed. The Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette, crazy freaking fallout, and I could not get those mattes to blend. They were so patchy and gross. I have not been that mad at eyeshadow in a really long time. So much so, I literally drove an hour and a half just to return it and get my $27 plus tax back. I was livid. Lesson learned, totally. This one is Kaleidoscope. This is very, very pale. To try and stick with the look that I did, I'm gonna put that on my brow bone just very lightly. Using these BH shadows dry. They don't come off super pigmented, so this is just gonna put a little bit of a glitter on my brow bone. And now I want something, I want this to like pop a little bit. So let's use, this is called Prismatic. I'm gonna use that one wet actually. I've kind of come away from not using Fix Plus whenever I want my shadows to pop. I have switched to glitter glue. Oh man, it makes a huge difference. Okay, so I'm gonna put that, I want like the whole inner corner part and third of my eyelid. Okay, and Prismatic. Can you see? Mirror. So I like that this has a mirror, but it's so tiny that you have to like get your face up in it, and I don't want to do that. So I'm going to use the mirror that one of my other brothers bought me for my birthday. Oh yeah. Oh, I like that. Okay, and then I'm going to use Kaleidoscope, which is the lighter one, and with a little bit of glitter glue. Since it's lighter, I'm gonna put that on my lower lash line. Just like teensiest little bit of glitter glue. This is a ColourPop like flat brush. I like this one. Okay. And Kaleidoscope is this light pink glittery shade. I really, really like this palette. I've only used it a couple of times, but oh, that's so pretty. Keeping with the recreation is to have fun. Recreation, I'm just going to align my upper and lower lash lines with black eyeliner. I'm going to go do my other eye, put on some mascara. My brows, I have to at least fill in like the tails of my brows, but those are going to be kept as natural as I can. And then when I come back, we will do blush and lips and finish this recreation off. I don't know. I'll see you in a second. All right. Eyebrows are done. I put some mascara on, a black eyeliner. I am going to breathe. I kind of had wanted to do a pink blush, but I feel like it's going to be too much. I think it's going to be too much. And this is supposed to be an updated version of my worst look. So I'm going to take Nude Pop by Clinique. This nude is so good. Or neutral. Neutral blush. It's kind of the blush that I go to when I don't want to look like I'm wearing blush. Why is that not showing up? Face. Okay. I've been shedding like crazy and it's driving me nuts. Driving me crazy. All right. See, I put a ton of product on there and I just build until I'm happy with it. I really like the Clinique Cheek Pop blushes. They're really easy to work with. I've never had one. I think I panned Nude Pop, which is why I now have this new one. And then I have two more and they never look clownish or bad, I don't think. I have Plum Pop and that one can be a little bit crazy looking, but actually let me get it out. I'm gonna put a little bit of pink like on the apples of my cheeks. This is Plum Pop. This one's really pretty too. I've used quite a bit of that one. Same brush. I like this Sephora blush contour, the number 74. The synthetic bristles on this are really good for like this jelly type formula. Better. Okay. Pillow Talk highlighter by Ofra. Yes, I am still using it. Yes, I did get Cloud 9. Cloud 9 has a pink shift to it. This one is just freaking banging. I did get this one from Octoly and I love it. Love this highlight. It is super highlighty. But yeah, I'm still using it. Ofra is slowly quickly becoming one of my favorite makeup brands. Everything that I've tried from them this far has been amazing. They have sent me this highlighter, the setting spray that I'm going to use in a second. I was sent through Octoly as well, but I love it. And it's a lot cheaper than the Urban Decay one. But my makeup will last all day in this desert heat. Oh. I love Pillow Talk. There we go. I did buy one of their liquid lips. Whenever I bought Cloud 9, they were having a 40% off sale. I don't know where the liquid lipstick went, but it's really, really nice. It's not as thick as a Dose of Colors formula, and it doesn't last. It's not non-transferable, but it looks really nice. I actually really, really like that for liquid lipsticks, and I want more. I don't know where I put it. It's around here somewhere. Okay, I'm going to stick with just, it looks like I had just a regular glittery glossy gloss on my lips in that picture, so I'm using this Maxilina one, Bidi Bidi Bom Bom. It's just a pink glittery gloss. Looks very similar to something that I would actually have worn. In the air of that picture. Okay. Spray. See, I'm still using it. I really do like this setting spray. Okay. Sometimes it's not a super fine mist. And you can feel like when it goes on your face. Oh, I have to dry it with a fan. But I feel like I'm almost out, and I'm going to repurchase it. It's already like on my loves list through Ulta. But if you order like from the Ulta, or excuse me, the Ofra website, you can use the code OFRA30 and it automatically gives you 30% off on their website. That's like a code that they have going all the time. And then sometimes they have like 40% off promos. We just have to like check their Instagram. They're pretty good about updating their social media with stuff. All right, let's see how we did. Did I update my look? See? Yeah, I think I updated it just a little bit. Instead of having just one color on my lid with some glitter, I now have a couple of different colors, and I think it looks a lot better now. I also do my eyebrows now, so that's kind of exciting. But yeah, so there we go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this was kind of helpful, or at least entertaining for a little bit, and you got to see this in action with some ColourPop shadows in action. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. I really like this. I'm in my gray tank top and sweatpants, and I have to go to Walmart, so this is probably exactly how I'm going to be going. That's it. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!